the chapter number 2, parallel lines and transversal. We'll study about what are parallel lines. This is called as parallel. And what do you mean by transversal? A line. What is a line? L. That intersects given two lines. What is the line? M and line N. It intersects given two lines in two distinct points. Which are those distinct points? Point A and point B. That is called as a transversal. Simply, L is a line. L is a transversal. Okay. Now we shall study about practice set 2.1. Before that, we'll study what are corresponding angles. What do you mean by corresponding angles? What are corresponding angles? When a pair of angles are in same direction, on the same side of the transversal. This is a transversal. This line is a transversal. For example, now we will start. For example, angle P and angle. What will be the corresponding angle? Angle P and angle W. It's in the same direction, right, of the transversal. Okay, so we'll write over here angle P and angle W. Now the second question is angle Q. Angle Q, what is the corresponding angle? Same transversal it lies, angle Q and angle X. Okay. Now the third one is similarly. Now above angles we have taken. Now we'll see about the below angles. Okay. Now what's next? Angle R. Angle R. What is the corresponding angle? Angle R and angle Y. Both lies on the bottom position, right? Angle R and angle Y. Now the fourth question is angle S. Angle S and angle Z. Same, both lies on the bottom left position now, right? Angle S and angle Z. Now we shall see about interior alternate angles. What do you mean by interior? For example, okay, now whatever angles are inside this, those are called as interior angles. इसके अंदर जो भी angles बनेंगे, those are interior angles. Now let's ask angle S. So again come towards the diagram. Angle S और X दिया हुआ angle S और यहाँ पर X है, यहाँ पे Y है, यहाँ पे W और Z. Okay, the previous set P, Q और R. तो what was asked? Angle S. So alternate क्या बनेगा? Alternate means उल्टी टोपी. Okay, so angle S. Angle S का opposite क्या है? उल्टी टोपी. Angle X. Alternate itself makes the meaning. Okay. And now the second one is asked angle W. Angle W की उल्टी टोपी कौन सी आएगी? Alternate चाहिए. ये angle W है तो ये क्या है? Angle R. Practice set 2.1. We have already done first sum in the previous session. Now we will see about the second. Okay. Observe the angles shown in the figure and write the following pair of angles. First is interior alternate angles, second is corresponding angles, and the third one is interior angles. We are supposed to find out from this figure interior alternate angles, corresponding and interior angles. We have already studied about alternate angles and corresponding angles and interior angles. Now we'll go deep into that. Okay. Interior alternate angles means lies between the two lines on opposite side of the transversal. This is the transversal. Okay. Now let's start with the exercise. Now A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are given, right? So we are supposed to find out interior alternate angles. That's angle C. Angle C. What's the interior opposite angles? Angle C, what will be there? Ulta topi. Angle C or angle E. Okay. Now the second one is suppose angle B. So what's the alternate interior angle for angle B? Interior यानी अंदरूनी angles. Okay. Angle B and angle H. Okay. उल्टा टोपी होगी ना वापस से. अंदर के जो एंगल्स हैं उसी को लेना. इंटीरियर का मतलब अंदर वाला भाग. Okay. Now we shall study about corresponding. Previous session we have done about corresponding angles. We will explain again in short. We'll see what is the corresponding angle. Corresponding angles lie in the same relative position, at each intersection point. For example, angle A and angle E. Okay, angle A and angle E, angle B and angle F, angle D and angle H, angle C and angle G. Now we'll write down angle A. What was that? Angle A and angle. What was angle A and angle? Same transversal. It lies on the same transversal in. Okay, angle A and angle E, angle B and angle F, angle D and angle H. Now angle C and angle G. Okay. Corresponding angles. Remember that point. Corresponding angles lies in the same position of each intersection point. Okay. Same position at each intersection point. Now we'll come towards interior angles. इंटीरियर एंगल से अंदर और ओके व्हाट आई एक्सप्लेन जो अंदर का भाग है ना उसमें से इंटीरियर एंगल बिफोर डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज इट वाज इंटीरियर ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स अंदर का जो है ना अंदर के एंगल्स लिखना था बट ऑल्टरनेट थे इसमें क्या है ओनली इंटीरियर एंगल्स कम ऑन लेट्स हैव अ लुक एंगल सी एंड एंगल एच इट्स वेरी इजी इंटीरियर वॉल के अंदर रूम के अंदर वाला ओके सो एंगल सी एंड एंगल एच नाउ व्हाट इज द सेकंड वन angle B and angle E. Now quick revision about it. We have done about interior alternate angles, corresponding angles and interior angles. Interior alternate, देखो don't get confused in interior or alternate and interior angles. Okay, interior alternate C and angle E क्योंकि ये alternate था. Okay, alternative होता है ना हमारे इसमें कपड़े में सब में वैसे ये alternative angle. Angle B and angle H. Okay, corresponding angles. Corresponding angles क्या है? जो transversal पे angles that lie in the same relative position of each intersection point. जैसे A और E, B और F, D and H, C and G. और interior alternate angles हमेशा lies between the two lines on opposite sides of the transversal. Okay. और इंटीरियर एंगल तो सबसे इजी सिर्फ अंदरूनी हिस्सा जो है सीधा सीधा लिखना दैट इज एंगल सी एंड एंगल एच एंगल बी एंड एंगल ई ओके